What's going on YouTube? This is your Paxton Seabeer, and today I am proud to bring you a very special video because today we are not Packy Kicks, we are going to be Packy Tech today because we have secured a PlayStation 5 console right here, and I'm super excited to own this console as well because I've been dying to get a console on opening release, and this is the first time I bought a console on release date, so I'm very excited to own this PS5. But also, with me buying the PS5, I'm also doing Twitch streaming. So please follow me on Twitch. It's going to be Hasib_Mian. It's going to be in the bottom left corner of the video because I did pick up the PS5 HD camera as well. So I'm very excited to do some Twitch streaming for you guys today and stream some video games. But the main item we're looking at is going to be the PS5 console, this behemoth of a system right here. And I'm doing an unboxing for you guys today and show you, what's included in the system itself. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on my bed and show you guys how the PS5 looks because this is very big, and I don't think my camera view is gonna get the overall console. So let's switch up the view for you guys. Okay, so here we have the PS5 box in all of its glory. As you guys can see on the very front of the box, we just have a picture of our PlayStation 5. It says PS5 on the top, and we have our circle, triangle, square, and X buttons in the background. On the front of the box, it'll say it's going to be an 8K, 4K 120, and HDR. Pretty standard stuff right here. And then going to the back of the box says play like never before. Again, we have our system laid down horizontally, a picture of the controller, and here it just talks about the different features: lightning speed, breathtaking immersion, stunning games. Anything that the PlayStation has to offer, it says right there for you guys. And one of the games I did pick up for this system, and one of my more anticipated games, is Spider-Man Miles Morales. Spider-Man was my favorite game on the PS4, so it's only right I get Spider-Man on the PS5 as my first game. Also tonight I'm going to get Cold War as well, so definitely looking forward to that. But with all that being said, I got my scissors right here. We're about to open the box and show you guys, what is inside the console itself. So, opening the box here. So one of the first things we see is we pull this piece out. Again, we have another, white cardboard piece, has the PlayStation logo on it, and here we will be opening up what is stored inside. Again, give us more instructions. It is very basic packaging. From what I heard, Sony wanted to be eco-friendly when releasing this, so I don't blame them for having that. So first thing we open, when we pull up right here, I think this could come out as well. Yep, so holding that to the side. When opening this, one of the first things we see here is we have our quick start guide, instruction manual, nothing too spectacular there. Again, another safety guide as well. And here I believe this is our plastic stand for the PS5. I'm gonna open this up, show you guys. There it is, nothing too spectacular. There's that. We have our HDMI cable. And then I believe this is our obviously our plug right here to power on the system. Get to that last. This is our charger wire for our PS5 controller. And then lastly, the main item for this is going to be the PS5 DualSense controller right here. Just putting it on and just trying it, it feels very nice. I'm going to compare this to the PS4 controller in just a second. Let me just get everything out of the way first, but here it is. We have our PS5 controller right here. And that is the main components right here. I don't think there is anything else in here. No, there is not. So toss that to the side. And now getting to the main meat of this box. Holy shit, this console's heavy. So, having all that tossed to the side, this is the main thing we have here. This is the system itself. I'm going to open it up and show you guys. And voila, here is our PS5 console right here. It is a very big system. It is not a small system by any means. And it's actually way nicer in person, a lot more beautiful. And like I said, I love this PlayStation. I've been a PlayStation guy my entire life, and I'm just glad to have the PS5 as well on opening day, so I can be able to play it for you guys. But like I said before, it is a very big console, a very heavy console, so it will be very interesting how I will display it on my own entertainment set. But like I said before, the system is very nice, and we have a PlayStation logo right here. And on the front of the system, we have a USB port. I believe that's a charger port. And then we have our eject button right there. And we have a power button. And then there is our disk drive as well. I got the digital, or not digital, I got the disc version of this console. So there you are. So now I'm going to show you guys everything the box comes with. So we have our PS5 console itself. We have our DualSense controller. We have our stand for the PS5, charger cable, plug output, HDMI output, and then a bunch of guides. So that's what we have for the PS5. And there you have my unboxing of the PS5. Let me know what you guys do think of this console right here. Do you guys like this console? Are you a PlayStation guy? Let me know in the comments below. Like I said before, I'm really excited to have this system on me and really excited to play with it. So I will definitely be looking forward to that. And I will definitely be Twitch streaming tonight because I got Miles Morales and I got the HD camera. So please make sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitch at Hasib_Mian. The link is on the bottom left corner of this video. And also please make sure you again hit the like button and subscribe button for this video as well. And I'd like to hopefully playing with you guys as well on the PlayStation 5. Thank you for watching this video. Peace.
Millions feel like thousands. Never see the sun, always see the night. Gang just like fam.